guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and today we are going to make Buffalo Zucchini Sticks. I'm telling you, this is my new thing for this football season. I absolutely love these Buffalo Zucchini Sticks. As you know, my husband and I are big Buffalo fans. We like buffalo wings, buffalo chicken dip, pretty much anything buffalo, because I have so many buffalo recipes. I believe it's a playlist, actually, on this channel. But since I'm trying to be a little bit healthier this year during football season, I decided to come up with a new recipe that has buffalo, but maybe not as high in fat as a buffalo chicken dip. That's how I came up with these Buffalo Zucchini Sticks, and trust me, you are going to love them. A few years ago, I actually did a baked zucchini fry recipe on this channel, and that is the basis for this recipe. I'll walk you through it really quick, but if you need something more in-depth, I will put the link below directly to that video so you can watch how to make those zucchini fries as well. It was a long time ago, whole different kitchen, whole younger Caitlin, but it's a still great recipe. To get started, you're gonna chop up your zucchini into some thin sticks, almost like a fry shape, and douse them in some flour. You're gonna shake them up all together till they're evenly covered, dredge them in some egg, and then put some breadcrumbs on them. You're gonna lay them out onto a sprayed rack over a cookie sheet and cook them at 425 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're crispy. So while our zucchini sticks are cooking up, we're gonna go ahead and make a quick homemade buffalo sauce that we're gonna then toss these zucchini sticks in. You're gonna take 1 bottle of just a regular generic hot sauce. Doesn't need to be anything special. I'm just using Frank's Red Hot here. After that, we have a few spices. We have some garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of paprika. If you don't want to add those in, you can leave them out because real traditional buffalo sauce is just hot sauce and butter. Pretty crazy. So then we're gonna add half of a cup of butter, and then I'm gonna just run this over to my stove and let it melt down together. So when completely cooked, your zucchini sticks should look like this, and your buffalo sauce like that. Can you see? Nice and melted down and nice and hot to pour over your zucchini sticks. After that, pretty easy, you're gonna just pour over the sauce. You're gonna wanna pour it a little bit at a time because you don't want them to be too saucy. So just pour a little bit, give a toss, and then pour some more. You want just enough sauce that they're all nicely coated, but not soggy. So once they're tossed, you're gonna plate them up. I like to crumble a little bit of blue cheese right over top, a little bit of green onion. I'm telling you, you're going to love this. So I see a small one right here. I'm gonna take a taste. Oh my God. I'm telling you guys, your new favorite zucchini recipe. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.